Alright, what is up you guys? It is your girl Tori, Aalyah, and I am back with another video. So today I am coming to you with a beta fan unboxing and also what I have been doing with my MacBook Pro that I got for over a week now. So in my unboxing video, I didn't put it up separately because when I got the package, which was last Monday, it's now Sunday, so it's been almost a week. When I received the package, I was very sick, so I had just been through it the weekend before. Like, I was so sick, and then when I finally got to work that day, my allergies on top of that started acting up. So no, it wasn't, you know, related to what's happening now, but my allergies were acting up because I was around a lot of dust. I was decorating for Christmas, so you know you have to pull out all the decorations that's been away for over 10 months. So my allergies. However, I was so excited when I got the message that my package came because I ordered this MacBook around like, sorry y'all, I ordered this MacBook 2 weeks before it came. So I've been saving up for this computer for a while now. You know, maybe not too long, but I think I started saving in September because I was like, you know, I'm gonna try to get a new MacBook for Black Friday so I can get a deal. However, as it approached Black Friday, I just felt it in my soul that Apple wasn't gonna have a discount. Like, I just felt it, and I was right, because all they ended up having was a 4-day shopping sale where they gave you a gift card if you bought like a certain item. So I made the right decision. So I bought this computer before Black Friday, and it took 2 weeks to get here. So by then I was just like so excited to see it that I was just like, I cannot wait until I feel better to do this unboxing. So I did it, which you can see here. So I just got home from work, and turns out my computer is here, and I'm so excited because I bought this computer like, what, 2 weeks ago? I was waiting on Black Friday to see if I could get a deal or anything, but if you know, Apple never does good deals on Black Friday. So let's open it up. I'm excited, y'all, and y'all, I'm just so excited because y'all, my last MacBook is old, okay? Old. It's right here looking at me too. It's old. It's ancient, like so heavy. So I was just like, it was time. It was time for a new one. And here it is. Alright. Oh my god. So, let's see. Let me put y'all over here so that you can see me better. So, this is the MacBook, and I guess it has this tab right here that you can kind of pull so that you don't have to worry about cutting it. I'm so excited. Alright, so let's see. Alright, we're gonna just go over the basic stuff first though. Alright, so the box is really sturdy. Anyways, we are gonna look at this, oh my god. But we're gonna go over the basics first. So it just comes with charger, it comes with some instructions. Let me see if it has stickers. It does, and they're gray, so that's cool. So they come with stickers, and then it comes with the lightning cord, which is not that much different in size from the one that I have now. So I wish they would make them a bit smaller, but I guess, you know, it needs to be more powerful. So let's take a look at the computer. Okay, so y'all, already, like, the difference in size, it's so light. So lightweight. It's so loud. Okay, so you don't have to press it to turn it on. It's so pretty, you guys. Like, yeah. And I was a bit stuffy and everything. You probably can hear it in my voice, but I did that. And so I just wanted to come back and tell you what I've been doing so far with this computer. So this is the MacBook Pro. This is the M1 that came out earlier this month. Well, last month, because we're now in December. So it came out the other day, and honestly, I was not thinking about this. I was, you know, buying the latest MacBook, but I had no idea MacBook was coming out in November, because I really don't keep up to date with those type of things. So when I found out it was coming out, I was just like, you know what? I might as well just buy it, because I feel like everyone's going to be buying it. I don't want to buy the Intel one, because then everyone's going to be transferring their stuff to the M1, and then now I'm going to be behind once again. And from where I was coming from, y'all, my computer was ancient. Like, I had a MacBook 2011. It was ancient, y'all. And the reason why I decided to get a new MacBook was because I would edit on my MacBook Pro, the old one, and it would just drive me crazy. It has brought me to tears with how bad it was, how slow it was, how it took forever to upload videos. And so I scrapped it, and I just used it for like I just did basic things on it. I didn't really stress with using it because it was just too much. And so when I edited my videos, the past couple videos that you've seen, I've solely been using my iPad. And if you've edited on iPad, then you know it doesn't have everything that your computer would have. So I use iMovie to edit, because I'm not on that level yet to be using Final Cut. So I've been using iMovie, and it doesn't have everything on iMovie on your MacBook as it does on the iPad. It doesn't have like background noise cancellation, you know, all of that, voice enhancing. It doesn't cut the clips as great. It's a lot getting the music to it. So it has been, you know, it's been a lot editing on it. But compared to the computer, it's been a breeze. So that's what I've been using. And I was just like, you know, I want to do more with my content. I want to boost up my editing skills. So I really need a computer, you know, and I need a computer regardless, because that one was just getting old. So this is what I have here, and I just wanted to show you how it looks so far. I do have a case on it. It's a clear case that I got on Amazon. It retailed for about $17, I think. I will link it in the description if you would like to purchase it. And I also have some stickers on it that I got from Amazon as well. It was about like $4, I think. And I just wanted some stickers that had you know, some good quotes on it. And so this one worked out perfect. You know, I have the Mario Badescu spray because I use it all the time. And I was just like, okay, I'm getting this. So this is the computer. Now, this is how it looks opened. I just found a wallpaper, and I have everything set up. and so far it's been great. I love it. It has Touch ID, which I never knew about because, like I said, I don't keep up with the new MacBooks. And you know, it has the touch bar. It isn't much different from the 2020 Intel MacBook, which came out in May, I think. It's just that it's now the M1 chip, which is supposed to be faster, much better. However, there are some drawbacks to it, such as, you know, most apps, such as maybe Adobe Premiere Pro, might take a while to get to be up to date to work with M1, but you can still use it. They do have beta versions, so you still can use it. I'm not a techie person, so I don't know the logistics behind it, but you still are able to use those apps fine. If you're like me, which you're just a girl that happens to do YouTube on this side, I feel like this computer is perfect for that. You don't have to worry about, oh, this app doesn't work or this app. If you're just doing everyday things plus a little bit of editing on the side, then I would definitely get this computer. So I'm on the computer right now. I'll put a screen up here. I'm using my camera to record what's on it so that you can see it. But right now I kind of have up my checklist of things that I want to get done. And I do have a couple things. I haven't used this computer much since I started. I've only did like everyday things such as, you know, check my email, do some notes. I've watched videos on there because you do get 1 year of Apple TV once you buy this computer. And so I do all that every day, regular things that I would have done on my computer. I mean my phone. So I do, you know, regular things that I would do on a daily. I have not edited on this computer yet, but so far I've only had to charge this computer once, which was when I got it, maybe the day after, because it wasn't fully charged once I had it. So I charged it and it charges really fast, you guys. So I did that and I haven't charged it since. It is getting low on battery, as you can see, but it is the battery does last really long. And I'm telling you, I've watched a ton of things on this computer. Even though I haven't edited as much, I've watched everything on this because I was just like, you know, I want to see how long it takes. But once I do edit on it, I might insert my future self into this video to let you know how that goes. Hey you guys, future Tori here. So I'm now editing, and this is my second video that I'm working on, and it is doing great so far. Like, I had like half a battery left, and during that time I've been watching videos and stuff and editing, and it went down slightly. So now after editing a video, I decided to put it on the charger, but it wasn't dying or anything, so it's doing pretty good. So I haven't done much as far as customization on this computer because really I'm not that girl that, you know, has to do everything, change the backdrop, change this, change that, change that. The only thing I have done basically was made like my what would you call this? I focused on making everything pink. So if you want to do that, basically you go into settings, you go into system preferences, and then you click desktop and screen. No, I'm wrong. So basically you go into your general, and you can basically change the appearance of your computer. So what I've done is I've changed the highlight color to pink. I've changed, and that's kind of what I've done. So as you can see, everything's pink when you're ready to type something in. When you pull up Safari, where is Safari? Oh, when you pull up Safari, you know, everything's a little bit like, as you can see, this bar is pink. So it kind of does little things. It makes the drop down part pink, which is really nice. You can I like that it allows you to toggle between dark mode and light. You can easily click on these icons. You can click here to pull up everything that you would want to see. And I really like this computer. I feel like it's a lot better than my old one. Anything is better than my old computer, honestly. But so if you're not doing as much editing, or you make Instagram content, like you want to edit videos for Instagram, then it wouldn't be bad if you got the Air. Honestly, it wouldn't hurt you. But like I said, you just have to figure out what works for you. And I got the Pro because I wanted to edit videos, and I want to get better at editing videos. I want to put more time into it. I want to invest in Final Cut Pro after a time, and so I figured the best one to get would be the Pro. And yeah, so I hope you like this video. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so that you can see more content when I put that out. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.